Did you know that after age 60, you could lose up to 5% of your muscle mass every year if you don't take action? This silent fief, called sarcopenia, can zap your strength, slow you down, and even threaten your independence. But here's the exciting truth. You can stop this decline and even rebuild muscle with simple, science-backed habits. Welcome to Benefit Hub, your trusted friend in senior health and wellness. Today, we're unveiling 11 transformative daily habits to help you stay strong, active, and thriving well into your golden years. Stay with us till the end. These tips could change how you age forever, and we've got real-life stories to inspire you. Let's get started. Number 1. Prioritize daily protein intake. Your muscles are like a house, and protein is the bricks that keep it strong. After 60, your body faces anabolic resistance, meaning it's less efficient at using protein to repair and build muscle. Studies, like one from the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association, 2020, show seniors need 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, higher than the 0.8 grams many consume. Without enough protein, muscle loss accelerates, increasing risks of falls and frailty. But boosting protein intake is a simple, powerful way to fight back. Aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For a 150-pound person, that's 68 to 82 grams. Spread protein across meals for optimal absorption. Think lean meats, chicken, turkey, fish, salmon, tuna, eggs, dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or plant-based options, lentils, chickpeas, tofu. Pair with complex carbs like quinoa or sweet potatoes to fuel muscle repair. Mary, 68, from Toronto, used to skip breakfast or grab toast, leaving her fatigued. After learning about protein needs, she added a Greek yogurt parfait, 20 grams protein, with berries and a boiled egg, 6 grams, to her mornings, plus a chicken salad for lunch. 4 months later, her doctor confirmed she gained 2 pounds of lean muscle, and her knee pain eased, letting her walk her dog farther. Research shows adequate protein can boost muscle mass by 10% in seniors within 12 weeks. Kickstart your day with a protein-packed breakfast, like a smoothie with whey protein, spinach, and berries, or eggs with black beans. Check food labels to hit your protein goal. Small swaps, like adding lentils to soups, add up fast. Number 2. Engage in strength training 3 to 4 times a week. Muscles follow a clear rule: use it or lose it. After 60, muscle fibers shrink without regular stimulation, but strength training tells your body to hold on to, and even grow, muscle. A 2019 study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that resistance training reduces fall risk by 30% and boosts muscle strength by 25 to 40% in seniors. You don't need a gym. Light weights, resistance bands, or body weight moves work wonders. Commit to 20 to 30 minutes of strength training 3 to 4 times a week. Use light dumbbells, 2 to 5 pounds, resistance bands, or body weight exercises like squats, wall push-ups, or chair dips. Target major muscle groups: legs, arms, chest, back, and arms. Do 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps per exercise, resting 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Rest a day between sessions for recovery. Bob, 72, from Florida, struggled to carry groceries and felt winded climbing stairs. He started with resistance bands for bicep curls and rows, plus bodyweight squats every other day. 6 months, he carries heavy bags, climbs stairs easily, and lifts his grandkids during family visits. His confidence soared, and he's joined a senior fitness class. Studies confirm that consistent resistance training can increase muscle mass by 15% in seniors within 3 to 6 months. No equipment? Use water bottles or canned goods as weights. Follow free online senior workout videos or join a local class. Track progress in a journal. Every rep builds strength and independence. Number 3. Walk daily for 30 minutes. Walking isn't just heart healthy, it's a muscle-saving superstar. Brisk walking engages your legs, hips, and core, signaling your body to preserve muscle mass. A 2022 study in The Lancet found that 150 minutes of weekly walking reduces fall risk by 23% and improves leg strength by 15% in seniors. Plus, it's free, boosts mood with endorphins, and fits any schedule. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking daily, fast enough to raise your heart rate but allow conversation. Break it into 2 15-minute sessions if easier. Wear supportive shoes and consider walking poles for stability. If mobility is limited, try seated marching or indoor walking circuits. Linda, 65, from Vancouver, felt sluggish spending evenings on the couch. She swapped one TV show for 15 minutes on her treadmill, twice daily. 6 months later, she walks faster, stands taller, and has energy for gardening and socializing. Her balance improved. She hasn't tripped in months. Research shows that daily walking can enhance muscle function and reduce sarcopenia risk. Make walking fun. Join a walking group, listen to music or podcasts, or explore new trails. Use a pedometer or smartwatch to aim for 6,000 to 8,000 steps daily. Every step keeps your muscles active. Number 4. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep is your body's muscle repair shop. During deep sleep, growth hormone surges, rebuilding muscle tissue. Poor sleep, however, spikes cortisol, a stress hormone that can break down muscle by 20%, per a 2020 study in sleep medicine. Many seniors face sleep challenges, but a consistent routine can restore those vital recovery hours. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Build a calming bedtime routine. Dim lights, avoid screens an hour before bed, and skip caffeine after 2 p.m. Try relaxing activities like reading or sipping chamomile tea. Keep your bedroom cool, 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Richard, 70, from Chicago, battled restless nights and morning muscle soreness. He switched to chamomile tea and stopped using his phone before bed. His Fitbit showed deeper sleep cycles in 2 weeks, and after 3 weeks, his muscle aches dropped significantly. He now wakes refreshed and ready for his walks. Studies show consistent sleep boosts muscle recovery by 30% in older adults. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Use blackout curtains or a white noise machine. If sleep issues persist, consult a doctor to check for conditions like sleep apnea, affecting 20% of seniors. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Muscles are 75% water. Your muscles are 75% water, and even mild dehydration, common in seniors, weakens them. A 2018 study in the Journal of Nutrition found dehydration impairs muscle function by 10% and triggers cramps. As you age, thirst signals weaken, so proactive hydration is key to keeping muscles strong and resilient. Drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces of water daily, more if active or in a warm climate. Include hydrating options like herbal teas, fruit-infused water, or broth-based soups. Limit sugary drinks, which can cause inflammation. Check urine color. Pale yellow means you're hydrated. Janet, 66, from California, suffered leg cramps that disrupted her walks. She started keeping a water bottle on her counter, sipping regularly. Within 2 weeks, her cramps vanished and her energy soared. Her doctor noted improved muscle tone at her checkup. Research shows proper hydration can boost muscle performance by 15% in seniors. Carry a reusable water bottle and set hourly sip reminders. Add lemon or cucumber slices for flavor. Include hydrating foods like watermelon or cucumber in snacks. Every drop counts. Number 6. Include anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation is a muscle's enemy, accelerating breakdown and causing joint stiffness. After 60, inflammation rises due to stress, poor diet, or inactivity, but anti-inflammatory foods can fight back. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that diets rich in antioxidants and omega-3s reduce muscle loss by 20% in seniors. Colorful, healing foods are your secret weapon. Fill your plate with anti-inflammatory foods: berries, blueberries, strawberries, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, leafy greens, spinach, kale, turmeric, and olive oil. Aim for 2 to 3 servings daily. Swap processed snacks for walnuts or almonds, which are packed with healthy fats. Paul, 66, from New York, felt stiff and heavy moving around. He added blueberries and walnuts to his breakfast and salmon twice weekly. Within 3 months, his joint stiffness eased, and he felt lighter on his feet. His energy improved, letting him enjoy park walks with his wife. Studies show anti-inflammatory diets enhance muscle strength and mobility in seniors. Start small. Add a handful of berries to oatmeal or use olive oil in cooking. Try a turmeric smoothie with mango and ginger. Shop for colorful produce at farmers markets for fresh, affordable options. Number 7. Stretch and improve balance every morning. Stretching and balance exercises are unsung heroes for muscle health. They boost flexibility, prevent injuries, and reduce fall risk by 28%, per a 2020 study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy. Falls often lead to muscle loss from inactivity, but a daily routine keeps you steady and strong. Morning stretches also wake up your muscles, improving mobility. Spend 10 minutes each morning stretching arms, legs, back, and neck. Try gentle yoga poses like cat-cow or leg swings. Add balance exercises. Stand on one foot for 10 to 15 seconds per side, or walk heel to toe. Use a chair or wall for support if needed. Doris, 73, from Seattle, struggled to reach high shelves or stand from chairs. She started a 10-minute morning yoga routine, focusing on stretches and balance. 2 months later, she reaches shelves easily and stands confidently. Her posture improved, and she feels more agile. Research shows daily stretching enhances muscle function and independence in seniors. Follow a free online yoga video for seniors or join a local Tai Chi class. Practice balance while brushing your teeth. Stand on one foot for 10 seconds. Consistency builds confidence and strength. Number 8. Take vitamin D and omega-3 supplements. Vitamin D and omega-3s are muscle-protecting powerhouses. Low vitamin D, common in seniors due to less sun exposure, weakens muscles and raises fall risk by 22%, per a 2019 study in Bone Reports. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and boost muscle repair. Supplements bridge dietary gaps, especially in winter or for picky eaters. Consult your doctor to start 800 to 1,000 IU of vitamin D daily and omega-3s from fish oil or algae supplements, 1 to 2 grams. Pair with a meal for better absorption. Ensure supplements are third-party tested for quality. Greg, 69, from Michigan, avoided supplements, relying on diet alone. He felt stiff and weak, especially in winter. His doctor recommended vitamin D and omega-3s. 3 months later, Greg felt stronger, with less joint pain, and tackled daily chores with ease. Studies show these supplements can improve muscle strength by 10 to 15% in seniors. Ask your doctor for a vitamin D blood test to check levels. Store supplements near your breakfast plate as a reminder. If fish oil upsets your stomach, try algae-based omega-3s. Same benefits, gentler digestion. Number 9. Avoid long sitting periods. Sitting too long is a muscle silent killer. Prolonged inactivity slows metabolism and signals your body that muscles aren't needed, accelerating loss. A 2021 study in the Journals of Gerontology found that breaking up sitting every hour boosts muscle function by 12% in seniors. Staying active keeps your muscles engaged and metabolism humming. Set a timer to stand, stretch, or walk for 5 minutes every hour. Try standing during phone calls, doing light stretches, or walking in place while watching TV. Consider a standing desk or high table for tasks like reading. Emily, 67, from Atlanta, worked from home and sat for hours, feeling stiff and tired. She got a standing desk and set hourly timers to stretch. Within a month, her posture improved, stiffness vanished, and she felt more alert. Her friends noticed her standing taller. Research shows that reducing sitting time enhances muscle health and energy. Use a smartwatch or phone app to remind you to move. Try desk exercises like shoulder rolls or leg lifts. Stand while folding laundry or chatting. Every movement keeps muscles active. Number 10. Practice mindful breathing and stress reduction. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle tissue by up to 20%. Per a 2020 study in psychoneuroendocrinology, seniors often face stress from health concerns or life changes, but mindful practices like deep breathing or meditation can lower cortisol and protect muscles. Spend 10 minutes daily on stress-reducing activities. Deep breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Meditation or gentle Tai Chi. Practice in a quiet space, morning or evening, to calm your mind and body. Albert, 71, from Boston, felt tense and had muscle aches from stress. He started 10-minute morning breathing exercises, following a free online guide. Within weeks, he felt calmer, slept better, and his stress-related aches faded. He now enjoys Tai Chi classes, boosting his mood and mobility. Studies show mindfulness reduces muscle breakdown in seniors. Download a free meditation app like Calm or try guided breathing videos. Practice during coffee breaks or before bed. Join a local Tai Chi group for social and physical benefits. Relaxation strengthens muscles. Number 11. Eat small, frequent meals to support muscle metabolism. Skipping meals or long gaps without food can trigger muscle breakdown, especially in seniors. Your body needs a steady protein supply to keep muscle protein synthesis active. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating small, frequent meals boosts muscle retention by 18% in older adults. This habit stabilizes energy and supports muscle health. Eat small, protein-rich meals every 3 to 4 hours. Aim for 15 to 20 grams of protein per meal or snack. Try cottage cheese with fruit, a protein smoothie, or a handful of nuts with an apple. Include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Elaine, 68, from Dallas, felt fatigued and weak, often skipping lunch. She started snacking on cottage cheese or a protein smoothie between meals. Her energy stabilized, and after 3 months, she noticed less muscle fatigue during walks. Her doctor praised her improved strength. Research shows frequent meals enhance muscle repair in seniors. Prep snacks in advance, portion nuts, or cut veggies for quick grabs. Blend a smoothie with whey protein, banana, and almond milk for a fast meal. Eat every 3 hours, even if small, to keep muscles fueled. Muscle loss isn't a guarantee of aging. It's a challenge you can overcome with these 11 daily habits. From protein-packed meals to mindful breathing, small steps today build strength, independence, and joy tomorrow. At Benefit Hub, we're here to support your journey to thrive in your golden years. Which habit will you start today? Share it in the comments. We're rooting for you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science-backed tips to age strong. Let's make your golden years your strongest yet.